Well, good afternoon and welcome to Mayville State University, where our first Field of Dreams is about to begin construction. We have been on this path now since 2012, and because of the generosity of many donors, including our lead donors who are here today, that group of friends that I think I even remember one meeting that we got together and really said what we needed to do and how we needed to do it. And so it started with a core group of folks from the community. Some of them not even are alum, but so invested in the Mayville State community that they wanted to do something that would help the college and help the community. So we're excited about the opportunity to begin construction. And so I would like to introduce Coach Sean Tome. He will be in his second year now at Mayville State, and just want to get a few comments from him before we turn those shovels. Coach Tome, let's hear it for him.
Thank you for coming out. This is obviously an exciting and a huge day. A lot of thanks to be given. First of all, thank you to everybody, small, large, who has donated. This is fantastic. Thank you to Mr. Clockey, Dr. Hagan. It's amazing. You know, we reached out to over 90 guys on the team yesterday, and for the first time told them that we were going to be getting turf. And to everybody who has donated, the message from all of them, they wanted to say thank you. Our guys are extremely fired up for obviously what's about to take place. And for me, it is good that they're going to get it. I think they deserve it. These guys, they're very thankful. I think sometimes they don't realize how blessed they are. So again, I want to thank everybody who was a part of this. Thank you to everyone who had a hand in it. And again, it's a great day to be a Comet. So thank you.
I want to also thank Coach Scott Berry, who is with us here today, who was one of those founding folks who kind of got the impetus and kind of kept kicking me, saying, Clocky, get it going here. So we're going to keep moving on this trail. And so I want to thank you. And I'd like now to introduce the president of Mayville State University, who hoped he'd have this project on his schedule before he was done. President Gary Hagan.
Thanks, John. I have about a 35-minute speech here to deliver, so have a chair, relax. Obviously, lots of thank yous to give. Wasn't sure when this day would happen. I was hoping it would happen before July 31st, because this is my last project. I was talking to Jamie. It's her first project, so we're kind of passing the baton here. But for me, it's kind of a special one. I've overseen over $30 million worth of projects on this campus. And for some reason, this one was kind of special, I guess, maybe because it took a while. And it wasn't appropriated dollars. There wasn't, normal funds to draw from. We just had to go and see if people cared about Mayville State. And obviously, they did in a big way. So this is really a special project. I look forward to coming back to homecoming, because by then it should be done, and seeing the Comets play on turf is going to be pretty exciting. So thank you, everybody. Everybody played roles, everybody. Not just the donors, but especially the donors, but everybody else in their own way. What a giant team effort. And this is only a few of the people, and that makes it special too. So we'll see you in the fall, and go Comets, and here we go. Thanks, John.
Couple more shout outs. Mike Moore, I called him the other day to let him know we were going to have this, and Mike was also very instrumental in getting that challenge grant in the beginning that got all of this going. So a shout to Mike, and he knows that we're here today, and he's hoping that when we play our first home game at Farmers Bowl, if not homecoming, that he'll be able to be here to celebrate with us as well. And also a big thank you to Jamie Hovitt, because when we got down to doing bids, she found a way to save a lot of money in the bidding process, and so we owe her a round of applause to make what would have been a much more expensive field possible. So thank you, Jamie. And now we're going to assign shovels. As I call your name, just come on over to your shovel. President Gary Hagan.
Go, Scratcher.
Coach Sean Tome. Larry McGillis. Jamie Hovitt. There you go, Larry. Jamie over next to President Hagan. Jeff Strand and Leanne Strand. Brad Weehee. Jeff, you'll be right here next to Larry. Brad, you'll be over next to Jamie. Doug Peterson, Chairman of the MSU Foundation Board. Go ahead and grab that shovel, Jeff, and pull it out and get ready. Right here, Doug, next to Jeff. Corey and Tracy McGillis. Right over here next to Brad Weehee. Jeremy Strand. And Parker is coming with him. Ernie Struby, representing a lot of parts of this plant, whether it's the Goose River Bank or the EDC, you name it, along with Jeremy at the EDC. So Ernie right down here next to the McGillises. Jack McTaggart from Sanford, right here next to the Strands. You guys go ahead and grab a shovel there while they get ready. Yeah, spread it down. Ryan Coy from Gate City and Josh from Berg. Right there, Ryan. Josh over here. And why don't we all spread out with our shovels? Just go ahead and spread those out. Take some steps to the right and left. We want comments on the goalpost in the center. Beth, you let us know if you want them spread out less or more. Is that good? All right, when we're ready here, when everybody's ready, we'll assume the pose. We'll dig. We'll dig. We'll just kind of stay. We'll look. Whenever you're ready, keep training. Yeah. Are you ready for us? Okay, everybody? Ready? Dig. I'd like to thank all of our shovelers for making history with us at Mayville State, and this is going to lead to other big projects, no doubt about it, and it's going to lead to a lot of new success. It's a great day at Mayville State. All right. Thank you all. Thank you.